If your Ethernet suddenly stops working on Windows and you've got no internet, keep watching, because in this video I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so we'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. First thing we need to do is check the cable. Unplug your Ethernet cable from both your PC and the router, then push it firmly back into a numbered LAN port until it clicks. If your router has a port labeled Internet or WAN, don't use that one. Use any of the other numbered ports. Check the small light next to the port. A solid or blinking light means the connection is being detected. If it's still not working, try a different cable and a different port to rule those out. If that didn't bring it back, the next thing is to restart the adapter. Go down to the bottom to the search, go to settings, then on the left hand side go to network and internet. At the bottom of the list, select advanced network settings. Find your Ethernet adapter, click disable, wait about 5 seconds, then click enable. If it's still down, let's run the built-in troubleshooter. Go to settings, then system on the left, scroll down and select troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters, then click run next to network and internet. Windows hands this over to the get help app and checks for problems on its own, so give it a minute to finish. If that didn't work, the next step resets your network stack. Right click the start button, select terminal admin. This will open up the command prompt as an administrator. Just click yes. Type net sh space win sock space reset. Press enter. Then type net sh space int space ip space reset and press enter. Now type ipconfig /flush DNS, then ipconfig /renew. Press enter after each of them and restart your PC so the changes take effect. If you're still offline, go back to settings, network and internet, Ethernet, click edit next to IP assignment, and set it to automatic and hit save. If Ethernet still won't connect, the next thing is your driver. Right click the start menu and open device manager. Towards the bottom, expand your network adapters, right click your Ethernet adapter and click update driver. Then search automatically. If your Ethernet broke right after a Windows update, open properties instead. Right click your Ethernet, properties, driver, and choose rollback driver. And if nothing there helps, right click the adapter and choose uninstall device and restart your computer. Windows will reinstall it automatically for you. The last thing we're going to do is a full network reset. Before you do, know that this removes and reinstalls all your network adapters and wipes any VPN software, so you'll need to set those back up afterwards. Go to settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, then network reset. Click reset now, choose yes, and let your PC restart on its own. One thing to keep in mind, if Wi-Fi on the same router also has no internet, the problem is your router or provider, not Windows. Your Ethernet connection will now be working again. Let me know which step worked for you, and leave a like on the video.